Hey, I'm gonna do a short review of this Selore USB hub switch dock for a Nintendo Switch. It has TV out and two USB-A ports. The biggest thing is it doesn't include the power adapter, and it makes sense. It only costs $10. Everything works on it. I have it hooked up to a Chromebook USB-C adapter. This is a 45 watt. So if you're curious that you can use other things other than the stock power adapter, you can. I'm using this HP 45. I've used this for a few days now. Now I'm going to turn on the TV. TV's on. And then I'm going to press the power on this. Press and hold 1, 2, 3. Wait a few seconds. And there you go. There's no screen flicker, nothing. I haven't had any issues with it. I used it for a few days, playing games for an hour or so. And it works pretty well. And so that's my short review. I don't have anything against it. Again, because it's just this setup, you'll probably end up leaving your Switch lying flat if you want to use it. I made this really, what do you call it, horrible box setup with a stand so that I could have it on a stand. But that's just me. I was worried about airflow and stuff. But anyways, that's it and done. This TV out hub docks thing for $10 isn't too bad so far. We'll see. Just had it for a few days.